Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little instructions video for today's assignment since it is completely new. So I'll read through the instructions and go through the example with you. And then if you have any questions, you can always feel free to email me or join the live Zoom session at 2 o'clock today. So the instructions say, read the sentences below which tell you at what time of the day Fernando has each class and who the teacher is. Then label his schedule below accordingly. So what I ended up doing, and you can go numbers 1 through 10 in order if you'd like. I went ahead and just found 7:15 in the reading here. So 7:15 is number 7. It says, Fernando tiene la clase de arte con señora Quintana a las 7:15. So at 7:15, 7:15, he has art class. Arte is what I put in there for clase with the teacher Señora Quintana. And I went ahead and put that there as well. There's also another hint in there as well. When they talk about lunchtime, I have went ahead and crossed out there's not a teacher for lunchtime, so you don't need to put that in there as well. So just make sure you're reading each statement, deciding what class that is, and putting that in the class A column, and then what teacher is teaching it and at what time. So just make sure those are all in order according to the reading. Again, if you have a question, you can always email me, or we can talk via Zoom at 2 o'clock today. Thank you. Have a good day.